Yeah, when you factor in the 3 hours, not a lot of time when you have a multi-day trial of this magnitude and a high-profile trial. And every one of the jurors in this case, Michael, has been told to not factor in the community, not factor in the fact that this is high-profile, but they know that the world is watching, and specifically everybody in this part of Texas is watching. And that matters, does it not? That, yes, they know that their decision is going to be reacted to, and we're seeing it playing out even before the decision comes in outside of the courthouse.
Yeah, again, Ted, this is very, very, very sad. And watching what I'm seeing on screen is very, very sad. Yeah, I mean, listen, imagine I see how this stuff comes about, right? You're sitting there in whatever community you are. In this case, it's in Texas, right? And you see a case, you hear a fact pattern, you come to a judgment. Obviously, you don't have all the facts, and you say, "Oh, this was sad. This shouldn't have happened, or it should have happened," right? But if you come to the conclusion that, hey, a young man lost his life, he went to school one day, his parents got a phone call, not telling him, "Hey, your son has a nosebleed, but your son is dead." Right. And so you come to a conclusion. Then when you see other people outside the courtroom testing not in favor of the death, but hey, Mr. Anthony did nothing wrong, then you're going to come and you say, I'm going to go protest. And then the whole thing becomes inflamed. It's very sad. At the end of the day, none of us know more than those jurors about what we saw in this case. So coming back in 3 hours, from multi-day trial, it just to me seems like rash. Either way, whether they convict him or whether they acquit him, I feel like this required a little bit more deliberation than a few hours. I mean, even half of that 3 hours was not even deliberation. It was taking a poll and everything else. So at the end of the day, this is going to really whatever happens, there's going to be some sort of payback to the community there as a result of this.